Hi guys, today I'd like to show you this new item. It's facial brush. This item is a little different than others because it's oval shape. It's more like a triangular shape, and this brush is smaller than others so that you can wash your face where the areas are small or narrow. And the brush itself is very soft. I don't know if you can see very well, so it won't irritate your skin so much. And you can hear the sound. It's vibrating a lot, so that you can use this brush to clean your face and exfoliate your skin and get rid of dead skins or any other dirt on your face pore. Okay, so let me show you in a bit how it works, and wait for a minute. So now I use a lipstick to put a small heart here and show you how much it works using the facial brush to get rid of that cosmetic. Okay. I really like this product because it cleans your skin very well. And even you saw that eyeliner or lipstick, you can get rid of very well easily. And after you clean yourself, and I also clean this brush, so using any facial soap, wash it with the warm water using vibration. And after that, I kind of snap it to take out all the water, and then dry the brush with just your towel slowly, and then just let it dry on the shelf or wherever, the bathroom or anywhere, and you can use for next time. And it comes with the holder, so you can hold it and then, you know, leave it anywhere. And you just need to put a battery inside, and later if you feel like you need to use a new brush, you can change the brush head. Okay, so hopefully in the future you can try this product and have nice, clean and brightening skins and keep your beauty. Okay, have a nice day and thank you. Bye.